Today, we're focusing on enterprise report broadcasting of SAP Analytics Cloud reports. And we're looking at how the APOS Publisher for Cloud solution delivers on meeting those kinds of needs. So this recording is actually in follow-up to a webinar that we held recently where we were looking at all of these topics, core bursting capabilities, but also looking at some of the newer capabilities of Publisher for Cloud related to scheduling, scalability, and security. And we want to look right now at the topic of scalability. And this is an important new topic when we get into distributed processing, high availability, and failover, as well as targeted processing. But Alan, what do these topics mean?
Yeah, so in regards to distributed processing, we have customers that need high volumes of document creation to be sent out as soon as possible in the shortest amount of time. So how can we scale up the solution to support that? So with regards to the processing servers that actually execute the bursting definition, you can deploy 2 or more distributed processing servers, which basically evenly manages the workload of the bursting definition across those servers. So that gives a lot of scalability options there for the processing. On top of that, high availability and failover as well. So we talked about being able to have multiple processing servers, but also being able to set up multiple scheduling servers and also replicating your APOS Publisher for Cloud database. All these topics mean that now you can set up a really high available scenario with your platform, as well as have redundancy and failover so that if there's any failures on your servers, you're guaranteed to still get that content sent out to your recipients. And then finally, targeted processing. So if you do have 2 or more processing servers, users that have important or critical bursting definitions that they need to get out as soon as possible can really target a specific processing server that may have higher RAM and CPU usage or may have specific products like Microsoft Office, so they know they'll be able to get them into the formats that they need.
Great. As we've talked to more and more customers recently, the size and demands that that the Publisher for Cloud is being asked to respond to has certainly been growing. Very unique scenarios. This topic of scalability is an important one that will help deliver on those needs. Thanks for the coverage here, Alan.
Thanks.